Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're tackling POS refunds. Who's really in charge of them?
Okay, so a customer wants their money back. Who actually gets to say yes to that?
You might think it's a manager, right? But it's actually a specific system permission.
Think of permissions as digital keys. They unlock certain abilities for different users.
All right, let's walk through how a refund actually happens, step by step.
First up, the user with the right permission finds the original bill in the system.
Then they just select the items being returned and add them to the refund document.
Next, they choose how the customer gets their money back. Cash, card, you name it.
Last step, they double-check the amount, hit Finalize, and the refund is all set.
And here's the key. The balance must be zero. The refund has to be exact.
But, this whole permission thing goes way beyond just refunds. It's a huge security feature.
So you end up with different levels of power. A cashier can't do what a supervisor can.
This is a great example of how different actions are locked behind totally separate permissions.
And what's really important is these permissions are tied to roles, not to specific people.
For any business, this system is absolutely critical for keeping control and staying secure. It stops fraud, creates accountability, and lets you customize exactly who can do what.
So it really makes you think, are your permissions set up to truly protect your business?